Hi, I'm Alex. Welcome to Toulouse, where energy meets land arts.
At the time of its construction, the Oncopole project in Toulouse was the largest urban solar installation in France, comprising 35,000 solar panels on 25 hectares and generating about 19,000 megawatt hours annually, sufficient to power over 4,000 homes. The 15 megawatt plant was built on the site of the infamous AZF factory disaster, an industrial chemical explosion in 2001 that left deep scars on the land and in the local community. Today, amongst the photovoltaics, 1,500 colored panels bring to life local artist Damien Asp's vision of a pixelated rainbow. Enlit On The Road visited Toulouse to speak with project developer Urbasolar to learn how innovative engineering, public-private partnerships, and art have transformed the site into a powerful symbol of renewal.
Alex, thank you for welcoming Enlit On The Road to Toulouse. There are many solar PV plants, but what makes this one so special?
This one is special because the site is emblematic. For the town of Toulouse, it's very important to give a new life to this place. There is hospital, there is a concert institute, and the solar panels is just one part of this.
Alex, am I right that this is one big art project?
Yes, its name is Rainbow Blast, and this rainbow is inspired by the shockwave of the AZF explosion. When you are near of the center of the explosion, it's red, and after, the color change when you are on a flight or in the cable car.
What are some of the technical challenges that had to be overcome with this project?
For example, overhead cable, we need that because of the flow zone. The cable needs to be overhead, and also the pollution in the land. Here there is 30 centimeters of topsoil over polluted land, and so excavation is not possible here, and we are in urban area, so it's difficult during the construction for many reasons.
There were many stakeholders involved in making this project happen. Tell us who they were.
Metropolitan Toulouse area, of course, they launched the project. The Occitanie Energy and Climate Agency, and also the Authority of Electricity of Toulouse, and there is the association called Citizen Air, and co-invest also in this project.
So it was really a combination of public and private participants.
Yes, it's a win-win between public and private company like Urbasolar, and it's a very important that this project is territorial project. This project is a part of the Oncopole project, and you can see the Oncopole concert research center just here.
Alex, this project is really close to the city. Does that make it more challenging?
Yes, of course, but this land can be used for home for residential people, so it's for us it's an opportunity to be close to the consumer.
What were some of the key lessons learned and the takeaways from Oncopole?
I think the cooperation, because the municipality wants this project, but we also collaborate with local people, citizens, so it's very important to implique all the people who will work, live near this place.
Do you think we will see more urban solar projects? Is it more challenging than rural solar? Is it similar in nature?
Yeah, I think it's not more difficult, but more challenging. But this kind of project makes sense.
Alex, thank you for sharing your insights with us today. For more insights, join the Enlit community.